Hello friends, welcome to my channel Novatech Videos, and in this video we will understand how we can set up a batch script which can be executed while the computer is getting on or off. So this will be just a demo, and you can have the multiple the batch file to for different purpose. So let's understand how we can do it. So I have already created one simple batch script that will update the group policy, and this is also the mandatory to update the group policy while the computer is starting or getting off. So let me show you. Yep, and here you go. So this is GP update batch file, and this is having the simple code at echo off and go to system32 and do the GP update and exit. So this is just a simple command, and this way we can write the multiple codes for different purposes. So let's go ahead and do it. So to schedule it, or so we will target the Dell OU, and here I have two computers, so this will be applied to the computers. So let's open the group policy management editor. So I have already opened, and this is the OU, and here we will create a new policy because this is my test infra. So I'll have one new policy with the specific name, group policy update, group policy update. Okay, let's close it and added the group policy. Okay, let me expand it, and here in the computer configuration you have to expand policies and go to Windows settings, and here you can see the script startup and shutdown. Let's click on startup. So we will put that script on both startup and shutdown. So let me just copy it, because this is just a 1 KB file. So I'll put it in NetLogon or the sysvol. So just open show files, and here you can see this is the policy and this is the sysvol path, and here I'll paste it and just double click on that. I'm sorry, no need to click on that, otherwise it will be executed. So let's close it, and from here we can add and go to browse and GP update. Now double click on that, so this will be reflected, and if you have any parameter which you want to set, you can set it, but here I have a simple script, so I don't want to give any parameters for this. So let's click on OK, and here you can see a single policy there, but if you have multiple batch script, you can schedule the similar way. Add, and here you have to paste again the another batch script. Let me close it, apply, then OK. And similarly in the shutdown we can go either way, show files, or let's follow this way now, browse, and here we can paste it. Okay, just open. Okay, okay, apply, then okay. So we have added the script for startup and shutdown. Okay, let's confirm the shutdown as well. Okay, so let's check it whether it's working or not. Okay, let me do the group policy update here. Oops, sorry. let's go to the client machine. This is my client machine. Let's log in now. Okay, here we go, and update the group policy. CMD GP update /force P update /force. I'm sorry, typed wrongly. GP. Okay, it's updated, and let me take a reboot so that it is taking some time. So it means group policy update is happening. So let's log in. So this is how we can run the batch script while the computer is getting on or getting off. So that's it in this video, and thanks for watching.